I'm Micaela Erlanger, and I'm a celebrity stylist. Today, I'm getting ready with Aldo shoes. 'Tis the season for office holiday parties. Now let's get ready. To transition your Geek Chic blazer, I would amp up my footwear and accessories, taking my look seamlessly from day to night. Everyday glamour, but make it holiday. I would add a fun sparkly shirt under your day look, and to dress it up, pair playful jeweled hair clips, gems, pearls, metal hardware, I love them all. And if you want legs for days, add a pointy stiletto. Then, top it all off with a structured handbag. I want you to think about adding fun elements to your outfit, like a glitzy sequin skirt. Nothing too short, not too much skin, and nothing too daring. Include holiday elements, like a jeweled 60s-inspired tweed handbag, bold earrings, and stiletto mules. You can never have too much sparkle. Tie it all together with a bejeweled belt. Loads of personality while keeping it classy. I love mixing simple separates with fancier items and tying it together with major accessories. Don't shy away from your go-to ugly Christmas sweater. Consider pairing it with leather shorts layered over fun dotty stockings and adding a chunky croc bootie. This look is playful, but office appropriate. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed all of my insider tips on looking fabulous at this year's work party. Work hard, play hard, but behave, and of course, look cute along the way. Happy holidays!